Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that you're using an original one or a certified charger. And basically this charger allows me to supercharge the phone even though it's not original. So as you guys can see, let me plug it in. Now we should see the charging information. Let's quickly try it again, because we should see it popping up onto our screen just like that. And even though it says charging here, it is supercharging the phone. And now what you guys want to do is simply make sure that you restart the phone. So it is very important because it might be a system glitch, and a simple restart should help. So press and hold the power button only. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. And while it's restarting, what you guys want to do is make sure that you clean your charging port, because if it's stuck with dirt, then you may have your answer on why it's working like that. So we're gonna get the phone, we're gonna simply just swipe it all over our charging port. And now if we see anything here, we can just get it out, and we're gonna do the same. So we want to make sure that our charging port is clean, and once we confirm that it's clean, we can let go of the soft brush. We're gonna place our phone back. And what are we going to do next is we want to make sure that we avoid using the phone while charging it, because it can slow down the charging. And of course, now let's plug the phone in, and it will definitely fast charge it. So that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.